Don't let the size of these tomatoes fool you. They're the best tomatoes I've ever grown and the most tastiest tomatoes. I don't know what variety it is, but they're so tasty, they're sweet. So is this tiny one. I have never tasted a tomato like this in my life. And where I got it from, it was a massive big stately home, and I saw this tomato growing there last year, and I just took couple of tomatoes from there, and I harvested the seed from inside, and this is the result. It's absolutely delicious. It's so sweet. Now you can taste tomatoes that's got hard skin or just watery and no flavor, but this tomato, it's got such a delicious flavor. And I'm glad that I took just a couple of tomatoes from that stately home. Of course I'm not going to say which is stately home, but I couldn't resist it. I had to grow that tomato, and I'm glad I did. Let's see if there's any more. Let's pick the one that I dropped. Wow. There's some more up here. That would do. The melons are getting alright. I should cut some coriander as well to go with these little tomatoes in a salad. That's gonna start flower and grow some seed. But wow, you can use them in a salad, you can use them in a curry. Here is just a few that I harvested in the garden. 4 mini cucumbers, 1 giant cucumber, and gherkins. These gherkins, their skin is like a stinging nettle. They've got so much prickly fiber on them that I can feel it. It's like a cactus skin, and they stick to your skin. So I suggest if you ever grow this type of gherkin that's got prickly things on them, use the gloves. But this cucumber is huge. Let's have a look. It's about 15 inches long. And what's that? Almost about 3 inches wide, the girth. Well, that should last a week. Well, thanks for watching, folks. I shall put up a regular video every time a new variety grows in the garden.